What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and today I've got another short little unboxing to do with you guys. This package was actually sent by Scott Whittington of USA Made Blade. He just sent me a message and he said, "Here it comes." Thanks, Scott. I appreciate that. I'm actually really pumped. I know exactly what this is. I saw this pop up on Instagram. I'm trying really hard to do a couple of things here. One, fortunately, I am working with the precision, grace, and excellence of Her Majesty the Queen, the Lady of the Sea. So, but I'm also trying not to cut into anything important in the box, at the same time not put another wound in my backdrop. Anyways, so this is a knife that I have brought up before, and it's one that I have a model of in my possession, but not the prestigious version you're about to see here, but I haven't actually reviewed it yet. It's one that I've referenced before, and I saw this pop up on his Instagram, and I was like, oh, that's so cool. I really need to get my hands on one. And it was like maybe 2 days later, he was like, hey, just surprise, here it comes. So what we have here is a Kershaw. I'll tell you right now, before I open this up, if you guys have never shopped at USA Made Blade, I urge you to definitely put them on your list of retailers to go and check. When you get that itch, when you're like, I'm buying a knife, I don't know what it is yet, but I'm buying a knife, shop at USA Made Blade. I mean, check them out. They carry some awesome stuff. I mean, as you could imagine, a lot of USA Made stuff. I'll link their website in the description so you can at least have a look around and familiarize yourself with their site. Scott Whittington's a great guy, and they ship super fast. Let's go ahead and get in here. This is a USA Made Blade exclusive. So if you want this knife and you don't want to wait for my actual review, then you can just head over there and grab one before they're gone. Let's open this guy up here. Oh yeah, that's cool. So you guys are like, so what? It's a knockout, right? We've heard everybody say that the knockout is an awesome knife. This is an M390 knockout. This is a USA Made Blade exclusive right now. As far as I'm aware, there are 3 variations of this knife available at USA Made Blade. The all black that was sent to me, by the way, Scott donated this. He said just keep it. So I really, really appreciate that. But full disclosure there, that's what this is. Do you have a sticker in here? We got another, there we go. Got a koozie, awesome, awesome. I'm building up an awesome collection of USA Made Blade stuff. I've got stickers, I've got my, over to the left off camera, I've got a mouse pad that I keep a lot of knives on that are ready for review. But here's your badging and logo, and then there's the website there, www.usamadblade.com, which again I'll link in the description. Anyways, there are 3 versions of this that I am aware of. The all black version. Then there's one with red aluminum scales and a tumbled blade. And then they have sort of a gold, they call like a flat, they call like an earth anno, I don't know. It looks gold to me. And then that has a black blade. All handsome models, and then all currently available at USA Made Blade. Now we're gonna talk about this in the review of this knife. I've had a chance to handle a knockout and play with it. So I'm gonna give my thoughts on it there. But I'll just go ahead and say this right now. This is a USA Made knife that's rocking M390 that can be had for around $100. It's a pretty excellent deal. No, I mean, like, yeah, it's really cool that Scott, offered to give this, give this knife to me or donate it to the channel. But whether or not he offered to do that, I would still have the exact same opinion about the knockout. It's an excellent knife, and you can get them for a pretty good deal. Rest assured, there still will be a full review on it where I go over this knife in detail, but this is just really, really cool. I'm so pumped to have this, absolutely. Guys, that's going to be pretty much it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this short little unboxing, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, click on this Metal Complex logo right here and subscribe to my channel, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, everybody, and have a great day.